The second-degree murder case against former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schur will move forward after a judge today refused his request to dismiss it.
Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker was in the courtroom today, and he's in studio tonight to break down what happened.
Yeah, Brian and Sue, the argument over whether Christopher Schur's case should be dismissed included, strangely enough, a story about a 19th century outlaw.
A classic example is Jesse James, notorious bank robber.
That Jesse James, the one who hit banks and trains across the Midwest. Schur's attorney argued Michigan common law dating back to 1846 makes it legal for police and anyone else to shoot a fleeing felon.
If you commit a felony and you try to escape, in 1846, as it is today, the arresting person can use deadly force.
In the 1870s, he explained later, Jesse James was shot and killed by one of his sidekicks for a $10,000 reward, leading to a murder charge.
Had Bob Ford, the guy that shot Jesse James, simply said he was fleeing, he probably wouldn't have been charged with murder.
Dude, I'm stopping you.
Patrick Lyoya was unarmed when Schur pulled him over in a traffic stop in April. But Schur's attorney argued that Lyoya became a fleeing felon when he tried to run.
Stop.
And again when he wrestled for the officer's taser. Schur, who was on top of Lyoya trying to hold him down, shot him in the back of the head. That led to a charge of second-degree murder and to Schur's firing. It also led to protests.
Patrick!
A lot of people, and I'm not saying this is the right law or the wrong law, believe that the only time an officer should use deadly force is when it's reasonable in the circumstances to use deadly force. But we're still in 1846.
But the prosecutor argued it's not that simple. The shooting, he says, was not justified.
It's been developed over time, and that's our position. You know, it's not like we're stuck in 1846. There's been case law and Supreme Court cases that the judge cited and that we cited that have developed that law over time.
So Jesse James is not relevant here?
I don't think so.
He says the law requires anybody making an arrest, a citizen or a police officer, to use reasonable force.
If police are held to a different standard, yeah, you know, you pull, a police officer says, hey, come with me, and you pull away, all of a sudden the police officer can kill you. That's, you know, stunning in its application.
The judge questioned the defense argument.
That would require, in effect, two different definitions of murder. One for police officers and one for the rest of us. And such a scheme could raise a significant constitutional question.
The defense attorney says he'll ask the State Court of Appeals to review today's ruling, which could lead to a delay to the start of the trial set for next month.